Today, we're going to talk a little bit about anxiety and depression, mostly anxiety. Like a lot of the times we feel anxious and we don't even know why we get anxious, right? It could be just something that triggers it, like traffic or somebody, but it's just having different techniques that you can try and see which one sticks, right? It's like having like a little tool belt, and you put that technique in there, and every time you need it, you pull it out. Now, certain techniques work for some people, and then for other people, they really don't work. Like sometimes I take a class and they say, oh, this is supposed to relax you. And I'm like, oh, this is not relaxing. So remember, listen to your body. Pick something that works for you, right? Could be one of the techniques, 2, 3, it doesn't matter. Maybe all of them work for you. But just kind of be in tune with your body. And it's the same, right? Everybody gives us advice of what to do. Just, work with whatever works for you. So first one we're gonna do is tapping. So we're gonna tap in the belly. This is gonna bring mind-body connection. A lot of the times when we're anxious, we're in our head, right? It's that thought and this that happened and this thing that's coming. So this is bringing you back into your body. So you tap the front, you tap the back, you come and tap the kidneys, you tap the upper ribs, you tap the chest. And then as you tap the chest, I want you to stick your tongue out into lion's breath. And it's gonna be funny. You're gonna laugh at me, you're gonna laugh at yourself when you do it. So laughter, very good for anxiety, for depression. So breathe in. Breathe in. Reach the arms up and overhead. Lengthen, create length in your spine, open up your body. And then tap your crown of the head. And all the way around and around. I'm gonna tap here in the face. And then I'm gonna come around and tap in the shoulders. If you're giving yourself a pat on the shoulder, you got this. I'm gonna come along the arm, the top of the arm. Now, I don't know you, but the only thing I'm thinking about is that feeling in my arm, right? And that's what you want. You want to come to the present moment, right? Here and now. There's no past, there's no future. You can sit down, you can tap your legs, right? You can tap the whole body. You can stomp your feet, right? I'm here right now, I'm here right now. And take a breath in and let the breath out. And notice if there's any change or shift in energy. There might be, there might not be. The next one is pulling pranam. This one's fun. I love this one. We always get a lot of laughs in class when we do this. You're basically gonna be pulling in, pulling in, pulling in. And we're gonna sit in a little chair as we do it. Pulling in. We do it with breath. And it's very important that you take that inhale, and as you pull, you're gonna either go, if you don't want to make the sound, ha, you can just go, right? Sometimes it takes time to find our voice, but I do invite you to try those sounds sometimes, especially if you're alone, because they're very, very empowering. So let's give it a go. Inhale, ha. Inhale, ha, ha, ha. One more, ha. We pull it from the top, right? Breathe in, ha, 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 ha. And we come back to center. Again, notice any change or shift, if any. Laughter. You can laugh at a joke. You can laugh at yourself, at some, as long as we're not hurting anybody, just something that is funny that somebody did and you think it's funny. Ha 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 ha, like Santa Claus. Ho 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 ho. The brain doesn't know if you're faking it. It'll release the endorphins. It'll get you out of the funk, right? So give these techniques a try, right? Some of them don't work for us, right? And some might, but just, give it a try. Namaste.